In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who read your message on WhatsApp Web. If you've been using WhatsApp Web to keep up with your messages while working on your computer, you might be wondering how to find out who's read the messages you send out. Fortunately, it's a pretty straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step, ensuring you can check who's caught up with your latest text seamlessly. To begin, once you have your WhatsApp Web open on your browser and you're logged in, navigate to the chat where you sent the message you want to check. This could be a group chat or an individual conversation, and either way, the process is the same. It's important to note that this function is available for messages you've sent, so you'll need to find a message you've written that you're curious about. Once you've identified the message, hover your cursor over it. You'll notice a small drop-down arrow appearing on the right-hand side next to your message. Alternatively, you can simply right-click on the message. This will trigger a menu to pop up with a few different options. Don't be alarmed if you see a lot of options. Focus on finding the one you need. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Message Info. Clicking on this will open up a new panel. This panel is your key to seeing who has read your message. It will provide you with detailed information about the delivery and read status of your message. You'll be able to see who in your chat group has received and, more importantly, read your message. Delivery status gives you an indication of who has received the message. This is the first thing you'll see, and it's helpful to know who received it on their end. But what's more interesting is the read status. It shows you exactly who read your message and when. This capability is especially useful in group chats where you have multiple members. You can easily see if everyone is on the same page or if follow-ups are necessary. And that's it. With just a couple of clicks, you have access to valuable insights about who's engaged with your messages. This feature can be quite useful for managing group conversations or ensuring that important information has been acknowledged by everyone involved. Remember, for this to work, all chat participants need to have their read receipts on, so keep that in mind as you go forward. I hope this guide